Hi everyone, this is the professional unboxing of the legendary BM800 microphone. I just got this today. The audio that you are listening to right now is pretty much recorded from this BM800 microphone, and this is pretty much and this is pretty much unedited audio while I'm unboxing this. And this audio is recorded from the same microphone that you are watching on your screen right now. This is the most cheapest yet most qualitative microphone that you will get on a low price for someone who are just starting out YouTube or something like that, for good for forecasting as well. I bought it for 1600 Nepalese rupees, and I bought it from Daraz. If you want to buy this microphone, you can grab it from the link in the description. It is also found on Amazon, and this product is available worldwide. Whether you live in India, United States, or any other country, you can get this at very affordable rate. And my experience with this microphone is that you can pretty much hear the traffic in the background, cause this microphone can capture sound at a large distance as well. If someone is speaking next to your door or in your neighbor, you can hear them as well. For clear quality audio, I recommend you to keep your microphone close to your mouth. Moreover, it also comes with a stand and all these items. It is recommended that you get an external sound card for better experience with this microphone. Alright, this is the Diwali season and you can hear the fireworks in the background, so I hope the mic has recorded that as well. Alright, I want to tell you something more, that sometimes you may hear some noises like background noises. That's not the job of the microphone to remove those noises. Alright, it requires a software to remove those noises, and the job of the microphone is only to record the sounds that it gets into it from the environment. Right, I'm recording into this microphone directly from my home. I'm not using any kind of studio, I'm not using any kind of homes. For echo, it's just my room, and I'm recording this from my room, and you can hear that the audio is pretty well. So to remove noise, I recommend you to use a software called CapCut. It is free, by the way. It uses AI to remove these kinds of breathings, noises, and all those stuffs. You can also do loudness normalization through the software. Pretty much you'll find plenty of tutorials on that. So for a budget like that, and with my experience with this microphone, I'm totally happy with this microphone. And I don't know what else to say, man. You are listening to the audio live from the microphone that you are watching on your screen. It's all up to you now. That's it.